Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to set Google Photos as default gallery. So to set Google Photos as default gallery, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, you want to open the settings on your device and go to the app section. So when you go to the app section, what next you want to do is come to the default app, and then you could click on the open links, or you could just go ahead and select Google Photos. So there you have these photos. So what you want to do is just click on the default button over here. If you cannot find the default option right on this page as well, then you could simply go ahead and click on the see all apps and then locate Google Photos. Here it is. Then you could go ahead and click on the set as default or open by default, and you could just click on in browser, and that is how you could do. Now that you've actually set it as default, open up any file manager. And when you open up the file manager, what you need to do is just open up any image, click on the three dot icon, and then you could click on open with and select Google Photos. And once you do it, so you've successfully set Google Photos as default. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.